Hey everyone, I'm Kiara and you're watching Customize Close-Up. Today we're going to dive into some of the options that you can customize for your spring 2020 box. All members get to pick their favorites from these options, but select members get to pick first. So if you're not a select member, you can upgrade right here. We have some amazing items in this category. If you're an OG FabFitFun member, you might recognize some of these, but we love them, so we're bringing them back just for you. Select members can customize from February 2nd to February 5th, and all members can customize from February 15th to 18th. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the action. So let's get started with the Amber Sceats double coined necklace. I don't know my left from my right, it's fine. I personally love this necklace. It is a FabFitFun favorite around here. I personally love pairing it with a white t-shirt. It's like very laid back, and it's the perfect introduction to layering. I promise every time I wear this necklace, I get like 500 compliments. It's a gold colored chain made of steel and brass, and I love this double coin design. This is also a female founded brand, which we love at FabFitFun. Obviously, girls run the world. Shout out to Beyonce. Doesn't overpower the outfit, but it adds a little bit of a pizzazz, which is amazing when you're trying to get dressed, but you don't want to like mess up what you already have on. This is the perfect necklace for that. I'm a lawyer. I wouldn't lie to you ever. I wear this necklace all the time. So I don't know if you all have heard of gravity blankets. I am personally obsessed with my gravity blanket. I can't sleep without it. We now have gravity masks. It uses deep touch pressure to prime your body for sleep, just like the blanket. Not only does it block the light, but it distributes a light touch across your face, and it hits all of your pressure points. Do I look ridiculous? And just provides for a really relaxing evening. Okay, here we go. Putting it on. Oh my gosh, I could go to sleep like right here. Whoa. I'm sorry, I fell asleep for a second. Was I snoring? I don't snore. I'm too cute to snore. Next, we have the WEI 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection. So this has two different types of masks in it, which is amazing. Let's get into the first one. It's a brown sugar exfoliating mask. This mask is a delicate sugar that gently hydrates and exfoliates your skin. So there are 4 of the brown sugar masks, and there are 4 of the golden root purifying mud masks for a total of 8 masks. And it comes with this amazing brush, so you don't have to worry about it getting all over your fingers. I hate making a mess when I put my mask on. This brush is a lifesaver. So the mud mask is also really awesome because it deep cleanses and detoxifies your skin. So it's gonna pull out all of the impurities and minimize your pores and imperfections, which you don't have because you're perfect. But if you did have them, they'd disappear with this mask. Both masks are also paraben and cruelty-free, so you know you're getting a good, clean product, which we love here at FabFitFun. You can use each mask 1 to 2 times per week or as needed. For all my Maskapalooza ladies in the FabFitFun community, I see you, I read your comments. You guys are going to love this mask. I can't wait to get into the community and talk to you guys about it.
Oops.
Next up, we have the Cosmedix Pure C. This is the most potent form of vitamin C that exists. This is great for all skin types. It's super easy. You just mix a little bit of the crystals in with your moisturizer or your serum. You wake up the next day feeling beautiful and bright and refreshed. Isn't it nice that you can be productive while you sleep? Like you sleep, but you're being productive, and then you wake up even more beautiful. You can't beat that. It's amazing. Last but definitely not least, we have the Hibiscus plant-based body scrub. It's an exfoliating sugar scrub with coconut oil and shea butter, so it's super hydrating. This is like so Justin Bieber yummy. Justin Bieber, this is my official FabFitFun entry into the Yummy Yummy Challenge. Girl, you got that yummy. I know, I feel like you guys should come get in the video. Yummy. Ah, you're so good. So this feels so great on your skin, and it's super hydrating. I get so dry in the winter, oh my goodness. Cannot imagine taking a shower and putting this all over my body. I mean, Green Goo and I go way back to like Nickelodeon. Do you guys remember Slime Time? It was my dream to get slimed. Why? I don't know. But now I can get slimed, and you can get slimed too with Green Goo. I personally don't know what I'm picking yet. It's a tough sell for me. These are all such amazing products, but I would love to know what you guys are thinking. What are you picking? Comment below, let us know. And you can learn so much more about these amazing products by clicking here. Make sure you sign up to become a member at FabFitFun.com if you want all of these amazing products. I hope you all have a great spring, and thanks for watching. See you next time.